Welcome to our tutorial on how to know if someone viewed your profile on X, Twitter. By following these simple steps, you can easily track profile visits and see who has been checking out your posts. To start, open the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Profile tab to access your profile page. From there, look for the Analytics icon and click on it. This will take you to a section where you can view detailed insights about your account activity. Under the section labeled Profile Visits, you will be able to see a list of users who have recently visited your profile. This can give you valuable information about who is engaging with your content and show you which posts are attracting the most attention. By regularly checking your profile visits, you can gain a better understanding of your audience and tailor your content to better meet their interests. This can help you increase engagement and grow your following on X, Twitter. So, next time you want to see who has been viewing your profile, just follow these simple steps to access your analytics and track your profile visits. Happy analyzing!